In this video, I'm going to break down the proper concrete mixing techniques you need to get your project solid and smooth, from measuring ingredients right to knowing exactly how much water to use and avoiding overmixing drama. Alright, first off, you gotta measure your ingredients carefully. Cement, sand, gravel, getting those ratios right is clutch for strong concrete. Use a consistent method like buckets or a scale so every batch comes out the same. Next up, the water to cement ratio is everything. Too much water and your concrete turns weak and crumbly. Too little and it won't mix properly or spread well. Aim for a ratio that makes the mix workable but not soupy, usually around 0.45 to 0.6 by weight, but check your cement brand's recommendations. When mixing, start by blending your dry ingredients together before adding water slowly. That way you avoid clumps and get a uniform mix. Don't rush the mixing time. About 3 to 5 minutes is usually ideal with a mixer or by hand, making sure everything looks consistent and smooth. But watch out for overmixing because that messes with the concrete's strength and can cause early cracking or shrinkage. Also, work fast once mixed because concrete starts setting quicker than you think, especially in hot weather. Finally, always keep your tools clean. Leftover hardened concrete on your shovel or mixer can mess up your next batch big time. One of the biggest mistakes people make is eyeballing their water instead of measuring it properly, which leads to weak concrete that cracks or crumbles super fast. The fix here is simple: always use a measuring jug. Another common issue is overmixing the concrete. It might feel like you're making it extra smooth, but actually you're breaking down the cement particles too much, so stick to that 3 to 5 minute mix time max. And lastly, skipping the step where you combine dry materials thoroughly before adding water causes uneven texture and weak spots, so make sure you get all those powders blended before pouring in the water. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid platform to find clients who need reliable pros for their big home jobs.